Hello, I'm Dr. Himachalla, Director at K&H Personalized Medicine, Hyderabad. Genomics is a branch of molecular biology. Started somewhere with Watson and Crick, when DNA was figured out. In 1980s, Human Genome Project was started to figure out the human genome. In 2003, we were completely able to decode the human genome. Since then, several studies, a lot of evidence has been gathered as to what each gene in human body actually has clinical relevance for. By about 2010 or 12, that's when enough evidence was gathered so it could be blended into clinical care. A lot of countries have actually picked up. One of the country which is on forefront is UK. They have sequenced almost 1/3 of their population. United States, Australia, Middle East has picked up, South Korea, so a lot of countries as of yet. Now, why is it important in clinical medicine? Modern medicine has also progressed a lot in the last several decades, but still we are seeing treatment failures. Despite the new diagnostics, we need something more to make our treatment more precise, to decrease the side effects and increase our treatment success rates. That's when genomics comes in, and you add that information, that precise genetic information to your treatment protocols and are able to deliver the best care for patients. So I am an internal medicine physician. I did my training in internal medicine in United States. I went to Wayne State University, Michigan. Following that, I went into academics. I became an associate professor. I used to train residents, and then I also started an internal medicine residency program, a postgraduate program to train residents. During my tenure as an academic physician, I came across genomics, and that really interested me as to how we can incorporate this into modern clinical medicine. I went and trained myself at Harvard Medical School, where we were taught about clinical genomics and how we can blend it to give better care to our patients. My husband, who also happens to be an internal medicine physician, he trained at Stanford University in clinical genomics. Following that, in 2019, we finally moved back to India after 15 years of practice in United States. We set up our own personalized medicine care clinic. We call it K&H Personalized Medicine. We set it up in Hyderabad. It's been in running for the past 2 years now. Our main goal here is when we treat our patients, we give them that cutting edge technology. We add the advantage of genomics when we are delivering care. And what does it do? It makes their management very precise. When we prescribe them medications, there are no side effects, there is no trial and error. We also tell them how to manage their nutrition and their lifestyle, which actually makes them really happy. And we've been doing this for 2 years, like I said, and our patients are really loving it. We have done close to 200 whole exome sequencing, which is a lot in terms of genomics language. And we plan to do a lot more and bring this to as many people as possible. Genomics is a rapidly evolving science. There's a lot of development going on across the world, and even in India, we have multiple players right now offering genomic tests. Most of them are direct to customers. The main thing that makes us different, I would say, there are a few things that we do differently. Genomics is a branch of molecular biology. It's a completely different field of science. The language that the evidence is right now stored in the genomics world needs to be translated into the medical language, so for the physicians to be able to deliver the care properly for their patients. Now, there is this lack of that bridge, the genomics knowledge not being completely translated into the medical knowledge. And that's where we come in, we having a strong, the background of physicians, and also having the strong knowledge of clinical genomics. What we have done in the last 2 years is, painstakingly converted a lot of that evidence into the medical language. So now any physician, if they want to use this, they can just directly look at it without spending much of their time. They can directly use that information in a clinically relevant manner. The other thing that is very important to know is genomics by itself does not have any value. So what we do is we combine the patient's medical data. The medicine needs to be combined with genomics to have any meaningful use. So when we take care of our patients, we use their, we ask them their medical complaints, their diet, their lifestyle history. All that has to be combined into their genetic information to be able to give them some meaningful insights. Because think of it as your gene and your medical history being the trigger. Unless you activate the trigger, the gene is of no use. So pure genetic information is of no use. So our efforts have always been to combine the medical part and the genomics. In this journey of our personalized medicine care delivery, we have actually patented the process of personalized medicine care which we give to our patients. The way we do it, from translating the information, the databases which have the genomic evidence, we translate it into the medical language and we make it easily understandable for both the patients and also for physicians to be able to deliver the care. We patented this process in 2019 December. We have also curated a custom database wherein we host all this information, this peer-reviewed data, and annotate it or switch it into the medical language. Now that we have been running our clinic successfully for the past 2 years, our main goal is to spread this to as many clinics as possible, as many people as we can get it out to, and we want to do this in a very responsible way. So the way we are doing is we are partnering up with clinics, with diagnostic centers and hospitals, and whatever their specializations are based on what they need for their particular patients, we are able to deliver care, help their physicians out in delivering personalized medicine to their patients. In this process, one of the main things that we are really passionate about is the medications, pharmacogenomics. We really want to make sure that the physicians are able to deliver the right medication to their patients. So we are launching this test, the pharmacogenomics test, this month, and making it available to the clinics nearby and diagnostic centers. Using that, they can use it for all of the common chronic conditions like diabetes, high blood pressure, cholesterol, and cardiac conditions, to name a few, which really makes the patient's life easy because you are avoiding trial and error on human body. You directly know which medication you would respond well to. Side effects go down and you can be ensured that you are going to get maximum benefit out of the medication that you use.